Imagine a world where AI can create new proteins to fight diseases like COVID-19 or even cancer. But if I told you that it's already happening, and if you stick with me till the end of this video, you will discover a mind-blowing AI breakthrough that's set to revolutionize the way we fight diseases, design new materials, and even create better batteries. First things first, let's break it down. Proteins are the workhorses of your body. They help your cells grow, keep your immune system strong, and basically make life possible. But here's the crazy part. Protein don't work alone. They interact with each other. Kind of like how puzzle pieces fit together. One protein connects with another, and that's how essential processes like fighting infections or repairing tissues happen. Now, predicting how these proteins interact is super important for science. It helps us understand diseases and find new drugs. But up until recently, predicting those interactions took a ton of time and effort. Enter AlphaFold. This AI, developed by Google DeepMind, made headlines by solving one of the biology's biggest challenges, predicting how proteins fold and interact. It was a game changer. AlphaFold helped scientists understand how proteins connect, which was a huge breakthrough. But as amazing as AlphaFold is, there's one thing it couldn't do. It couldn't create new proteins. Now we have entered a whole new era with Alphaproteo. This AI doesn't just predict how proteins interact, it actually designs new ones. Imagine being able to create custom proteins that can bind to harmful molecules like viruses or cancer cells. Alphaproteo does just that. Let's take COVID-19 as an example. Alphaproteo designed a protein that binds to the virus's spike protein, the same one that allows the virus to enter your cells. The AI designed proteins can block this interaction, potentially preventing the virus from spreading inside your body. And here's the kicker. These AI created proteins bind to target with up to 300 times the strength of traditional methods. That's mind-blowing. And it's not just about COVID-19. Alphaproteo's potential is massive. We are talking about proteins that can fight cancer, autoimmune diseases, and even create crops that are more resistant to pests. It's revolutionizing drug discovery. Drug development has always been a slow, expensive process, but with AI creating proteins that target specific molecules with incredible accuracy, the process is being fast-tracked. And it's not just about health. Alphaproteo could help in agriculture, environmental science, and even energy. But of course, no technology is without its limits. Alphaproteo is not perfect. For example, it struggled to create a protein binder for a particularly tricky molecule, TNFA, which is related to autoimmune diseases. This shows us that while AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it still has challenges ahead. And that brings up an important question. How far should we let AI go in designing the building blocks of life? Should there be limits on AI's role in biological processes? Is there a risk of this technology being misused? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because this is a debate worth having. Alright, we have covered proteins, but now let's talk about something equally cool: materials. If you think AI's role in biology is incredible, wait till you hear about ORB, an AI designed for simulating advanced materials. This AI is speeding up how we design the stuff that makes up the world around us, from better batteries to stronger solar panels. Imagine you are a scientist working on materials for electric car batteries or solar panels. To create more efficient materials, you need to understand exactly how atoms and molecules interact at the smallest level. Traditionally, simulating these interactions takes forever, but ORB, it's 5 times faster than the best models out there, including ones from Google and Microsoft. So why is this important? Well, the world is shifting towards renewable energy. Batteries, solar panels, semiconductors, these materials need to get better, faster, and more efficient if we are going to meet energy demands. ORB is helping us design these materials in a fraction of the time it used to take. And the best part, ORB is open source. Yep, that means anyone can access this tech for free, at least for non-commercial uses. This could spark a wave of innovation from smaller startups, scientists, and even students. So where do we go from here? Both Alphaproteo and ORB are just the beginning. These AIs are giving us the tools to fight disease, create better technology, and potentially solve some of the world's biggest problems. But there's still so much to explore. And here's a thought. What if AI could design not just proteins or materials, but entire ecosystem or the food we eat? Could AI become the architect of our future? Stick around for my next video where we dive into just that. You won't want to miss it. Before you go, I want to know, are you excited or concerned about AI creating proteins and materials? Let's get the conversation going in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this interesting, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI and tech.